Okay, let's edit the website. This is very simple and fun. Now we click on the top right hand side, we have the edit site button. Let's double click there. And now you see that the button changes to go live. So right now officially we are in the edit mode. So if I click on any of the elements on the website, you see that we are able to select different elements here and start editing any of these elements. Let's say I want to move this button here, the order button, to the lower area here. So I can just click, drag and drop anywhere on the website where I want to put it. So this gives you a huge freedom to organize, align, make sure everything looks spot on for your website for different versions like mobile version or desktop version. So this is great. Also, let's say I want to edit some text. So double click on the text you want to edit. You can delete things. You can also select the style like heading 1 through 6, paragraph, and all these good things. We can also, let me go back here, change the fonts if you want. You can do bold or change any of the fonts configuration. Same for any text that we have here on the page. We have here the section which is selected right now, and inside each section we have elements. For example, in this orange square, this is a section that I'm selecting right now, and inside there we have all these text, the button, and all these options, right? Let's say I want to add a background image on this section, so I will click here on any empty area of the section, as I did right now, and in the button you see the main menu for this section, and the icon, which is the gear icon, which is more to the left. If I click there, I can go to background and click on image, and I can just click on choose an image. In this case, I can upload an image from my phone or from the internet. I can use AI to create new images. Or if I scroll to the left, I can go to free images and search for any topic that I want, like bakery. Let's see, bakery. And here we will see royalty-free images that you can use on your website. Let's choose this one, for example. This looks good. Add to page. So you see that currently we have this image as background on this section, but this image is too bright and it's hard to read the subtitle, right? So I can just go back to select the section, go back to the gear icon, and scroll down here on the image, and I can add overlay opacity to, let's say, 59%. So now you see that it's a little bit darker. We have an overlay and looks more professional. Okay, same thing you can use to edit any of this image. Change the image size, change the image as a completely, like going to the gear icon and replace the image for other images that you want. So you can do all these changes here on your website very easily. Okay, this is how you edit. Now is your job to go here and make sure everything looks good. Make sure you add images. You can add videos, elements too if you want. So it's up to you, okay? So right now, let's say we are talking about a website, right? Let's say you want to add more pages. For example, this is not enough for a complete professional website because it's just the home page. Let's say you want to add the contact page or a blog section on your whole website, or maybe you want a services page where you can describe your services. How do you do that? Let me show you. If we go to the header here, on the top where you see the company name, I double click there and you see the menu at the bottom. We have the gear icon, and the second icon is the menu icon. So you see here pages and navigation, and right now we have only the home page. So I can click on the button saying add page to add a new page, and if I expand this section here, you see that I have many pages that I can add that are pre-created. Also, I can start with a blank page, a blog, online store, about us, contact, services, projects, etc. Or I can use AI to generate new pages following the same system that we did before, okay? But to make sure things are simple, I will just add a blog section. Let's see, here is a preview of how it will look like. Excellent. To confirm this, I just need to double click on the title. Excellent. And you see now we have the page settings. So that's basically what's the name that will show on the top of your browser when people are visiting this page, and also the page URL like diegodavila.com/blog list or yourwebsite.com/services, so you can determine all that here. When you are happy with everything, you can just click on save, and now we have two pages. We have the home page and the blog page. If I want to edit the blog page, I can just go back here and we are editing. So I can edit the blog. Let's do all capital here, for example. And I can change edit the post, change the title, the images, and all this information, okay? Once this is ready and you are happy with this, you add the pages, it's time to publish your website, and we are doing that in the next video.